Welcome back. This is session 5, and in this session we're going to look at how to upload files to Google Drive. Many of us have files that we have on our computer and we'd like to move them to to Google Drive. So there's a couple ways to do it. The easiest way is to come here to New, and you have File Upload. And this allows you to upload a file at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my temp stuff folder here because that's where I want to put my this new file I'm going to upload. But before I upload it, I need to make a decision whether or not I want to keep the files the native Microsoft Office. For example, if it's a Word document, do I want to keep it as a Microsoft Word document, or do I want to convert it as a Google Drive file? So if I'm committed to moving all of my stuff to Google Drive, I can come here to Settings, the Settings wheel, and then down to Settings. And right here is the option Convert Uploads, and convert uploaded file to the Google Docs format. Now maybe I haven't decided if I really want to move everything to Google Docs. I'm still unsure about using Google Docs. I can turn this off by clicking here, saying Done. So now I'm going to go to New, go here to File Upload, and I know that in my Downloads folder, let me change the view here so it's easier to see. I just pulled down this file called Candy Store, and it's a Microsoft Excel file. So I can select it, click on Open, and now I see down here it's uploading it. I see by the icon this is still a Microsoft Excel file. It did not convert. So if I try to open it, I double click on it, it opens up, it shows me this basic file. I cannot edit it. I can't really do anything with it. But if I come up here to open, I can say open it as a Google Sheet. And when I do that, it's now converting this document into a Google Sheet. And it's a great way now, it's a Google Sheet. If I come back here to my folder and close this view with the X, I see now that I have Candy Store as an Excel file, and I have Candy Store as a Google Sheet. If you plan to share these documents that you've uploaded, you want to convert it to a Google Sheet or to a Google document. Because if I share this Excel spreadsheet with the person I share it with, when they want to access it, they're going to see this same option. They're going to see open with, or if they want to edit it in Microsoft Excel, they're going to have to download it, and that is going to create a second copy. So you really want to think about how are you using your documents. And if you have questions, please feel free to contact training@apu.edu, and we can set up a time and kind of go through and talk through how you want to work with your documents. Now, if I'm committed to moving everything to Google Sheets, once I've converted it here, I'm going to select the Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to throw it in the trash because I don't want to be confused. I don't want to have two copies. I want just this single copy of my document as a Google spreadsheet. As a Google Sheet, I can open it up. I can come over here. I can share. It's one copy. I share it with multiple people. We don't have to worry about who has the most current copy. There's only one. I would also recommend, once you convert it, go ahead and come up here to the name of the document, click on it, and get rid of this XLS. You can just delete that out. And then when you click away, that change is saved. You can also, if you go under New, you can see Folder Upload. If you go to the New button in your browser and you do not see Folder Upload, you are probably not using Google Chrome. This feature is only available in Google Chrome. So, and with the Folder Upload, this is really nice. I'm going to click on it, and this time I'm going to go to my personal share or my L drive, and I have this folder here called mall stuff. That's Master of Arts in Worship Leadership. I can select the entire folder and click OK, and now it's uploading the entire folder. And it brought it as a folder, so now it's a single folder. If I double click and open it, there are all of my files. Now and it's still adding them because it hadn't completed yet, but I can see as Google is uploading from my network share, this works the same way with your hard drive, it uploads them. Because I have it turned off to convert, they're still Microsoft Word documents because I see the W. So the same thing applies. I have to decide, do I want to keep these as Microsoft Word documents, or do I want to convert them to Google Docs in this case? So that's a choice you'll have to make. In a later video, I will show you how to set up and use Microsoft Word or Excel with documents that are on your Google Drive. If you want to keep them in Microsoft Word format but have them stored on Google Drive, you can do that, and it's not a hard process. So that is how you upload a file or upload a folder. Hope this has been helpful, and there's more to come.